Hello, now I am talking about the share market. It has two forms of business. First one is private limited companies and public limited companies. These are two companies can be issue shares efficient units for investors. Shares can be issued for the investors. And again, I you think about a business. Business is like this, and it has so many shares can be issued. We know the unit as a share. It isn't a unit. The specification of this unit, if there were any buyer, it can be make a profit as an income. And again, that investor can be resell these units as a business. You think if there were a unit for the 5 rupees, after it increased to 7 rupees, it can be sold as a resale. Now, how much profit can be earned by using this spread? Positive 2 rupees can be earned by using this spread. And again, it has another form of income method also. Profit income can be earned by using these shares. What is the method of that? We know it as profit income. We know this as capital gain. It is a basic procedure of the share market and can be earned by using investors. It has shares. You can buy it by using 10 rupees. And after that you can sell it for the you will take it out as 12 rupees. And you can earn 2 rupees of profit by using this trade. We know this procedure as capital gain. Now you think investor have 10,000 rupees to 10,000 rupees can be invested. It can be by 10,000 over 10 quantity of shares. After we simplify this, you can get the answer as 1,000. 1,000 quantity of shares. Now, total value of the first 4 shares is equal 10 into 1,000. 10,000 rupees investment. After this, capital gain to 12 rupees for each share. Now, it can be find the total value of the shares by using this procedure. 12 into 1,000. 12 into 1,000 is equal to 12,000. Now, CG, capital gain is equal 12,000 minus 10,000 is equal 2,000 rupees. These are the sum of only easy cases to you can solve, and again after that we will review after next sessions how to solve some hard questions of gamma. Okay, then we will make a review about the percentage.